Modern Damascus steel can be recognized by the beautiful pattern found on the surface of the blade. These sought-after knives also have a reputation for being incredibly strong and sharp. Damascus knives are knives made from Damascus steel. It is the technique used to make the steel that marks them as Damascus rather than any other part of the knife design. Damascus knives can be identified by the wavy, malted pattern that runs through the blade. Modern Damascus steel is made by either forged welding different types of steel together before twisting and manipulating the metal, or by flattening out and then folding a single type of steel in order to produce layers in the metal. Both these techniques result in the wavy, organic pattern that is typical of Damascus steel kitchen knives. The technique used to make modern Damascus steel is primarily for aesthetic reasons. Ancient Damascus steel is entirely different to modern Damascus steel. The exact knowledge of how to produce ancient Damascus is now lost to history. Ancient Damascus steel was famed for its strength and durability. It was produced in areas of the Near East, using a type of steel originally from India called wood steel. Wood steel is characterized by levels of carbon compounds known as carbides, which runs through the steel. Analysis of ancient Damascus blades shows that certain impurities added during the production process acted to strengthen the steel, making it more flexible and less likely to break. Damascus steel requires no special techniques for sharpening. As with all quality knives, the best way to sharpen a Damascus blade is by using a whetstone. Modern Damascus steel knives can be made from a variety of different steels. Whether a Damascus steel knife rusts will depend on the type of the steel from which it is made. Most steel used for Damascus kitchen knives is stainless and does not rust. Popular knife brands that sell items made from Damascus steel, such as Shonda and Kasumi, use this type of steel. For knives made from high carbon steel, it is important to clean and dry immediately after use. Regularly oiling the blade can also help to prevent rust. High-quality Damascus blades hold their edge well. This is because the knives are usually made from an inner core of high-carbon specialty steel surrounded by softer stainless steel, which has been forged to produce the distinctive Damascus pattern. Due to the hardness of the inner core, the blade's edge will remain sharp, while the softer stainless steel acts to protect the core from chipping. For any quality, it is advisable to wash after every use and thoroughly dry before storing in a block or magnetic rack. Thanks for watching, until next time.